Yeah, you can't see Alex at all.
Just the way I like it.
Alright, so we're gonna try out some junk food today. We've got 2 things of chips, 2 different kinds of cookies, and 2 different candies. Yeah, that's what we got. So, what do you want to try first? Cookies, chips?
I want to try candy.
You want to try the candy first? Well, one of them you didn't want to try at all.
I don't know which one that would be.
The Twizzlers. You didn't want to try those. The other,
well, actually, I might now.
the other thing. M&Ms.
So I thought they had cream in them, or do they?
I think they
Oh,
do.
hey, those
They
M&Ms.
fill
I've
them.
had those before. Those are good.
Well, you
My
can't
opinion.
tell us that.
In my opinion, they're good. I'll let you guys decide for yourselves.
Okay, so we're gonna try the Twizzler stuff first.
But
I
those
can even
aren't
get it
cream
open.
filled. Those are like gel filled. They're not like the big ones that everyone in the high school was so into when I was back in high school.
There were cream-filled Twizzlers?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in fact, I tried to get the orange cream-filled Twizzlers, but they didn't have them, and instead they gave me these.
You want a piece
So.
of mine? Yeah, see, it's gel.
So these are Twizzlers filled bites, strawberry. Come on, focus. Don't look
You're
at
like a Twizzler.
Yaka's face. You're not gonna. It's not gonna focus as long as you do that. It still doesn't want to
Alex,
focus.
what are you doing?
Okay, I don't know what to tell you. For some reason, it did not want to focus. So I'm gonna try one of these things.
They're good, actually.
Doesn't taste too much different from a regular Twizzler.
Like, I barely could tell the gel.
Yeah. It's a little sweeter.
And it's not as hard.
Yeah.
It's a little softer. Which
Good
I
for
like.
on the teeth.
Well, it's still not good for your teeth, but...
No, I mean, like,
It's
Good
good enough,
for-
I'll definitely take another.
did you say please? I'm joking. You don't need to say please.
Okay. These are M&M's Fudge Brownies. Nothing's gonna focus for me today, I can see that.
It's because there's multiple bright lights in here. I feel like because there's so many bright lights. Like,
That did not help.
nothing ever helps because I'm a loser.
Alright, so we're gonna try these. They're M&M Fudge Brownies. Fudge Brownie flavor. So.
Did you introduce to Alex?
Alex has been on here before.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Okay.
there's
I-
new people.
I only ever show up when they're trying out food while I'm here.
Pretty much. So, Alex is one of the few people that's allowed in our house right now due to pandemic reasons.
It took a while for them to be allowed, so they didn't get special treatment.
I don't get it.
I taste
They
fudge.
just taste like bigger M&Ms to me.
They taste fudgy.
Really?
Yeah, they taste fudgy to me.
Yeah, they definitely have a fudge flavor. It's just mostly, it just feels like there's just a lot more chocolate than a regular.
Yeah, I just
I
feel
can-
like it's more chocolate.
I can tell it tastes fudgy because I'm not into the sweets kind of thing. Like, I'll eat chocolate, but it has to be specifically just milk chocolate or, like, white chocolate.
Yeah, I made the mistake of buying one of those, like, like the family-sized share bags of these. It took me like 3 weeks to eat it all.
Because it basically tastes like a huge treat.
Yeah, it's very sugary.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about those, but I probably wouldn't buy them again.
This goes number one. This goes...
Let's eat other things first. Okay, so we're moving on to cookies or chips?
Chips.
Chips. Okay. Bianca said she refused to try these. These are Price Chopper brand buffalo wing and blue cheese chips.
I was actually gonna get these at one point, and then I read blue cheese. I was like, never mind.
You don't like blue cheese?
No, I hate blue cheese, but I'll try these.
I'm really scared because buffalo is very strong to me, and really,
You
Bianca?
think I'm gonna try buffalo?
I don't really want to try it either, but I'm going to. I'm just not a huge buffalo fan. I like spicy things. But
Yeah, but one of
it
my
smells
gums
like
have been
buffalo.
in pain
Yeah,
for a while.
It
reeks
smells
of it.
like buffalo. I don't smell any blue cheese. Really?
Well, they die. Because I know you guys don't have painful gums, so.
That tastes like buffalo sauce. I'm not tasting blue cheese at all. It just tastes like pure buffalo sauce.
I'm getting a slight hint of the blue cheese, but it's nowhere near. It's mostly buffalo.
I would have to dip these in like sour cream to
Would
eat
you
more
like
of them.
something sweet for your spicy?
I don't know, something
They have
about
a slight kick though after a little bit.
yeah, not too much.
Yeah.
Which is kind of like how buffalo sauce is. It's not like ghost pepper sauce, but I don't know what it is. I think it's. I had friends that ate buffalo wings and buffalo chicken all the time, and I think it just made it so that I didn't want to eat it anymore. Can you understand that? Like, I just got sick of buffalo. But that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. But like,
Baby back ribs.
these are Price Chopper baby back rib flavored potato chips.
Okay, now it's going to bother me now.
There's a fly.
I think I've had a different brand of like this
Baby
flavor
back.
I'm
before.
realizing the flies are probably attracted to the chemicals.
Yeah, usually we get Lay's versions, but John saw these and he thought,
I can grab one without spitting.
It smells like barbecue sauce.
I figured they're just gonna taste like barbecue ones. Wow, that tastes like ribs. Like seriously.
It does.
My brain is so confused.
I know.
Am I eating a rib?
It
or
literally
potato
tastes like, excuse me, it literally tastes like pork. I started to have a King George moment there. It was like, literally tastes like pork. And if anybody knows that reference, say it down below. Anyways. So we're on to cookies now, right?
Actually, I want more of those shit. That's good.
We're gonna have more later.
I can just buy some next time I'm up there.
So- What? What?
One bush comes in show.
I will kill your friends and family.
To remind you of my love. Da, 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 da.
Okay, no more. Or else I'll get in trouble for the song or something.
No, you can say it's a cover. You won't get in trouble for the cover.
It's a bad cover.
Exactly. We won't get in
It's a
trouble.
parody.
It's a parody.
I'll kill your friends and family for the cookies. To remind you of my cookies.
I'm having a little trouble. It doesn't want to rip. There we go.
Wait, oh my god, I do have Samoas somewhere. I never opened that package.
I'm rather excited about these caramel nut dreams. If you've ever had them, they look really good to me. And I love things with caramel in them.
Smells like caramel.
It's really soft and unexpected.
Yeah. It's unexpectedly soft. Not bad. The peanuts throw me off a little bit. Like, it would be better if it was cashews.
It's a little too soft for my liking. Like, it's good, but my brain gets really confused because it's like
You
I'm used to
expect a cookie to be at
Well-
least a bit more.
I'm used to like the super chewy or like the crunchy.
Yeah, I was expecting it to
Basically
be more
what I
chewy.
have over there.
Yeah.
Like, I expected a crunch from the cookie and then a chewy from the caramel.
This is bad for ASMR, honestly.
I mean, they're good, but I don't know if I'd repurchase them.
They're probably good for babies.
I'd get them every once in a while, but not frequently.
I'd still prefer a Samoa.
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Okay, well.
Wrong video. It's just trying new stuff.
Alex is not new. Stop trying them.
Every day's a new day.
Okay.
Every day is a new Alex.
We have one last thing. I could have sworn we had something else, but I guess not.
We're probably gonna realize that we had that one last thing later.
Oh well. This is Oreos tiramisu flavored.
You need coffee for this.
Oh, it doesn't have an opening here. I hate it when they don't have an opening on top. I prefer the Oreo package with the opening on top. I couldn't
It's
see
right
it.
there.
Oh, I couldn't see it.
Alex. There's too much chocolate. Please don't spill them everywhere. You're really trusting me with this.
Well, John had also gotten those all-dressed potato chips, but I've had all-dressed before, and
There we go.
it's nothing now.
I can smell the sugar. Oh, that is strong.
Tiramisu, Oreo cookie.
I don't think I've ever actually had tiramisu before.
They're kind of like double stuffs too. There's like 2 layers of cream in here. What? What?
Yeah, okay, I've never had tiramisu before. It's always expensive at the store.
My birthday, we're gonna have tiramisu. Because I usually end up with a slice in the fridge on my birthday.
These are good. So I saw a recipe
I'm the weird one.
for making like fried Oreos in the air fryer, and what you do is,
You mean what I made?
but in the air fryer.
I did fry them. I grabbed pancake batter and I dipped the Oreos in.
But you didn't do it in the air fryer, did you?
It wasn't in the air fryer.
It was in my other fryer.
Technically, I did fry them, but not air fry them.
Yeah, I found a recipe that used the crescent dough and wrap the Oreo up in it and then put it in the fryer. So I'm gonna be trying that with some of these, I think. These are rather good. Are they the best flavored Oreo I've ever had? No, but they're definitely good. Yes, I would get these again. So, out of everything, what did you like best? Really?
The thing that I was
The
doubting.
thing that she was like, I'm not gonna try those. Those are gross. So she ended up liking those best. Which do you like best, Alex?
The baby back ribs,
The baby back ribs.
chips, those are so good.
But then again, I love Twizzlers. In general. I just thought these were the ones that were like, had cream fill.
Mm-hmm.
Because the last time when I had cream fill ones, I ended up not liking it.
Yeah. Well,
Because it tasted like a pastry.
I think my favorite is the Oreos.
Which is kind of weird because I don't like pastries that much, but I love tiramisu. Probably more than red velvet.
And which thing did you like the least?
The one I didn't try.
That doesn't count.
Yeah, it's...
Like, I would try it, but the thing is, my gum here hurts really bad.
Alex,
So I didn't want it to, like...
which one did you like the least?
I'll have to go with the M&Ms. Like, I've had
Yeah.
them before.
I agree with
They're
that.
good, but you, like, more than 5 M&Ms out of that, and it's too much.
Yeah, I didn't... the M&Ms, don't bother. Just buy regular chocolate M&Ms. Like, It's just like a bigger chocolate M&M. It might be a little fudgy, but
unless you want them to last longer, because they are really sugary.
Yeah.
So you can't eat anywhere
near as much. It literally tastes like 5 of them. It's just like, oh, I just had a big brownie.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm not into those. So that's definitely the worst.
And isn't the whole point of candy is that you want to eat more of it? Like, that's the reason why candy's made. That makes me just want to, like, eat one, put it down, be done for the day.
So yeah. Okay. So we pretty much agreed the brownie one's the worst, but we all had different things that we liked the most.
We have different tastes.
Yeah. So there you go. That was our junk food tasting, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and all that great stuff. Why are you bothering them?
No, I'm giving them hearts.
Okay.
Am I bothering you?
Yes.
I was gonna say, I knew they were gonna say yes.
Am I bothering you?
Excuse
Put
me.
its head down.
Oh my god. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm like spewing stuff. I don't know what's going on. Whatever. Guys, I hope you're not grossed out by any of this.
Shell?
So, please be kind. I'm just gonna leave it at that. Bye, kitty cats. Mwah. Okay, so we just did the taste test stuff. And now I'm gonna show you what this is like, because we actually did the taste test stuff days ago, but then I wanted to do this at the end. I'm gonna show you how to make deep fried Oreos, but in the air fryer. Now, regularly, you would take Oreos and dunk them in batter, and then fry them up in hot oil in a fry-later and a pot of oil. But we are using an air fryer. Air fryers don't tend to like batter very much because there's a lot of swirling air in there and it tends to move stuff around. So it's suggested not to use batter unless you freeze it. So you could dunk the Oreos in batter and then freeze them and then put them in air fryer, but I saw instructions how to do it this way using Oreos, which we're going to use the tiramisu flavored ones, and crescent roll dough. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So after trying to get one of these open and having the worst, I've never had such a hard time before getting one of those open. Bianca had to do it. I tried for like 3 to 5 minutes and it wouldn't open for me. I've never had such a hard time before. So we've got a piece out. So you get like a piece that you would make, you know, a crescent roll from. And you're going to wrap it up, which is really hard to do with one hand. So, doing the best we can here. You're going to want to pinch any areas that still have the cookie showing. Like, whoops, sorry. Like so. Pinch it all. So, and just make a few of these, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so we put them in the air fryer here, and I put cooking spray in first. You see they're all wrapped up in the crescent dough. And then we're going to put it at 400 for 5 minutes. That is the instructions that I have read, that I saw online. I'm not sure where, but that's what they were. Okay, well, they look done. They have a little brown and golden on them. So I'm gonna cut one open and see. Okay, they seem done. I'm gonna give it a taste. Yeah, these are good. They're tasty. Yeah. So that's that. That is how you make air fried Oreos. Hopefully, you could give one to John and see what he thinks of them. But other than that, this is the end of this video.